Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to install and watch Disney Plus app and Hotstar on Samsung Smart TV. So step number 1 is open settings, then sport, then go to device care, then self diagnosis. After this, click on reset smart hub. Viewers, it will ask for a pin. Enter 4 times zeros here. Default pin is 0000. Now next is set up terms and condition. Press OK on I agree to all. Your step number 3 is press volume up or plus, then mute, then channel up or plus, and then again mute from your remote to select the region. Select United States
Step
for
number
Disney
4 is
Plus
your
and India for Hotstar in the drop down menu. Then enter on I agree to all and press OK. Step number 5 is we will sign in to your Samsung account and press next. Then we will continue on screen setup. Then you have this message, your TV is ready to use. Open apps.
Step number 6
press OK on search bar. Type Disney Plus for United States and Hotstar for India in search bar. Select Disney
Next
Plus
step is
or Hotstar
from the apps, then click on install. Here viewers, your Hotstar is ready for use. Open it and enjoy it. Do subscribe our channel and like the video. In case of any query, feel free to ask in comment section. We will be happy to reply them. Thanks for watching.